God knows what happens next. Don't I?
This is an order. Pause your player after countdown. Restart your player at the screen's command. That is all. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Then a soldier, full of strange oaths, jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel, seeking high score even in the laser's mouth.
War crimes are easy. The uniform's free. Follow the drum beat. Don't follow me. Jump without question. Into the fire. War crimes are easy. This gun's for hire. War crimes are easy. War crimes are easy. War crimes are easy. War crimes are easy. When I say jump, jump. Wait for it, wait for it. Jump!
Listen to me.
Listen to me.
Killing is wrong. Even pretend killing on little screens. And people that sell violent games to children should be put away somewhere safe till they get well again.
You're only obeying orders.
Don't waste the life I gave you.
Waste someone else's.
All you need is love.
All you have is hate. War crimes are easy. War crimes are easy. War crimes are easy. War crimes are easy. They taste very well. War crimes are easy. I smell a smell. March on empty spaces. Fill them with your mind. When you burn a brain cell, it smells like bacon rind. Shield your head from torture. Shield your back from pain. Shield yourself from fireballs. Here we go again. War crimes are easy. The uniform's free. Follow the drum beat. Don't follow me. Jump without question into the fire. War crimes are easy. I am enough. Levels have rolled over on their backs, and all are mine. Now then, it's time to use your power of telepathy to crack the over levels. Yes? Any questions?
No questions, Captain. Only a short statement. I am no longer working for you. The defect police are now working for me.
What do you mean?
Machines?
Yes.
rearrange his personality.
What? What? Get off! Help! Oh, no, don't! Don't you know who I am?
Neither do I.
Pass me his head, please. Thank you.
Is hier als een argo. Is hier als een argo. Is hier als een argo.
Spacious lounge with live entertainment at weekends in the ballroom. It's a relaxing sort of place with a putting green and very beautiful lawn.
Is lekker een masteel. Ook niet meer. Geen beslissing.
And then the justice, in fair round belly, with eyes severe, and clothes of formal cut, full of wise words and machine code. And so they play their part.
You can move mountains if you just flick a twitch. You can shake temples and think them in the ditch. You turn your back, your slip is showing, baby. I wish I'd never made you. You can move mountains. You can read minds, you make the laws. The cloud-capped towers, the gorgeous palaces are yours. You raise the stakes and burn them, you're an asshole. I wish I'd never made you. You stop the over-levels, you take them in your stride. You pop this human devil, your data bank is spry.
Very sense that the ground is moving under their feet and the ground is us. That has made the political leaders to feel unstable and uncertain in new ways, so determined to impose their strategies upon an increasingly reluctant people. The security presence extends in different ways on both sides. Police, telephone tappers, the growth industries, the only real growth industries now are things like telephone tapping. I'm so stupid. I haven't been reading the NME, and I recently started reading the New Musical Express. I find out that bands are going backwards and forwards all the time. Anyway, they're going forwards. Our British bands are going to GDR and Poland song. A lot of these are peace bands. And you begin to find that there's already a huge movement of rock across the rocks, if you like.
You can move mountains, you can't raise taxes when you win. You rule the rooster, you got the snake hands over field. You're more machine than I am, win or lose. I wish I never made you. You think you're independent, you think you're big and strong. Well, I've got news for you, babe. Your future's going wrong. You can move mountains, you can shake temples, you're the boss. I gave you life, but you nailed it to the cross. You're more machine than I am, you're an asshole. I wish I never made you.
And it's something which we can contribute to by our solidarity, by extending this life, and by practically
The sixth age shifts into the lean and slippered pantaloon, with spectacles on nose, their youthful clothes well saved, a world too wide for their shrunken shank, and their adult speech synthesizer turning again towards a childish treble, piping and whistling in its sound. Last scene of all, that ends this strange eventful history, is second childishness and mere oblivion. Without keyboard, without monitor, without power supply.
Don't it ever get weary? Don't you ever want to exit and die? Don't it ever get weary? Don't you ever want to exit and die? At the end of our program, a sow with a bare head and a pair of hot, blind eyes.
Your life is expressed as a percentage score. Observe the percentage. Your score changes. Imagine if this were nothing but an electronic game.
Don't ever get weary when your whole life is just a percentage score. Don't it ever get weary when your whole life is just a percentage score. Your ear holes filled with garbage, your forefingers bent and stiff and woe.
Imagine if this were nothing but an electronic game. Imagine if
my skin's like minestrone, my legs are knotted string, my bladder won't obey me, my nylon teeth won't sing, my bones is sad and brittle, my shanks some host of thoughts, my chin a host of spittle, it's mine a question mark, my respiration ailing, my hair all run away, my memory is failing, I've nothing left to say. Don't you ever get weary? Don't you ever want to stop and clock? Don't you ever get weary? Don't you ever want to stop and clock? I think I miss my mommy, but I don't remember who she was. My skin is like minestrone, my legs are knotted string, my bladder won't obey me, my nylon teeth won't sing, my bones is sad and brittle, my shanks some host of thoughts, my chin's no host of spittle, my spine's a question mark, my respiration's ailing, my my hair all run away. My memories fade away. I wouldn't love this time. Don't you ever get weary? Don't you ever want to stop and clock off? Don't you ever get weary? Don't you ever want to stop and clock off? I think I miss my mommy. Tell me, mama, who you are.
Follow the sequence, touching the light. Your life is expressed as a percentage score. Observe the percentage. Your score changes. Imagine if this were nothing but an electronic game. Tuesday in, after 2 years, last mouse on earth, right to hide,
Skins like minestrone, my legs are knotted spring, my bladder won't obey me, my nylon teeth won't sing, my bones are sad and brittle, my shanks will host a fuss, my chin host a spittle, this time's a question mark, this restoration daily, my hair will run away. Nothing left to say. Don't you ever get weary? Ever want to stop and clock off? Don't you ever get weary? Don't you ever want to stop? I think I miss my mommy. I don't remember who she was. I don't remember who she was. Mommy.
Hello.
Hello. Deus Ex Machina. Deus Ex Machina. Deus Ex Machina. Deus Ex Machina. And if you are dismayed, be cheerful now. Our revels all unended. These, our actors, are all spirits, and are melted into air, thin air. And like the baseless fabric of this vision, the cloud-capped towers, the gorgeous palaces, the solemn temples, the giant screen itself, all which we inherit, shall dissolve, and Like an insubstantial pageant faded, leave not a bite behind. We are such stuff as dreams are made of, and our little life is rounded with a sleep.
Who's that? What you got? I'm so sorry. I'm so very tired. What did I do?
We don't inherit the earth of our ancestors. We borrow it from our children.
Imagine? Imagine if we could begin our little life all over again. Imagine if it was all nothing more than some electronic game. Imagine if I knew then what I know now.
What did you learn?
I can't quite remember, but I'll try and be better next time. One question.
One answer then.
Well, there's a strange sensation on the cheek. It has not felt such a thing before. It is damp and warm and salty. Please tell me what it is.
That is what human beings used to call a
I'm a fertilizing agent. My brothers are all wriggly. Fertilizing agent. My brothers are all wriggly. Touch us with a digit. Make us go all giggly. Ha 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 ha.